Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. If you keep coming back, we appreciate you so much. How's everybody doing? It is Thursday. You were supposed to have an art video up yesterday. It's not going to be either till late tomorrow or Saturday. So I'm kind of switching the order around. I wanted to give you a video. I want to make sure you get 3 videos every week. And so today I am putting out our paper crafting video. Our more art directed video will be out on Saturday. That one's shaping up to be really cool. I'm still filming actually. I'm filming at different historical locations, and I think it's going to be fun because we're doing some painting, some drawing, we're kind of visiting places. So stay tuned for that if you haven't yet and you like that sort of video. It's in a vlog style, sort of. Anyway, if you like going places and seeing new things, and you like art, and you like paper crafting, hit that subscribe button and that little bell because you don't want to miss out. We've got some great end of the year videos coming, as well as a ton of new ideas for next year. But for today's video, we are talking a line a day journal, but we're talking a line a day journal with predetermined prompts to help you get through the holidays if they're stressful for you. If they're not, you can take this idea and make it fit in with just a line a day journal, or maybe whatever stressful situation is coming up. You might want to use it for that. I'm going to focus in, family get-togethers because Thanksgiving is next week, and for some big gatherings, whether it's family, friends, or whatever, can be very stressful. So let's jump into this video. And first we'll talk about how you can make a line a day video. Not video, how you can make a line a day journal. And there's 2 or 3 really, really simple ways because it's just a line a day. Even if you write a paragraph for that one line, it's just a line a day. And I'm going to show you this. This is my line a day journal. This is the one I like to use. I use it though for my, to manifest stuff, okay? I want to be a successful artist. All right, I want to be a successful artist every day. Only I just don't do 1 line a day. I'll do about 5 lines a day. The same principle. So I like to use it for manifesting. And this is the size I like to use. It's probably not even on any counts because I'll show you what it is in just a second. Let me measure it first. It is 7 inches by 6. 6 by 7. 7 by 6. So that's not a bad size. I like this size. It fits well in my hand. I can throw it in a bag if I'm traveling. I just like this size. So this is my 5 line a day journal. Could be your line a day. And all it is it's a piece of an old calendar that I cut, put some pockets in the front and the back, and I laminated it. Can you see it's shiny? I coated it in clear packing tape. That's all it is. I never sew in the signatures. It's one signature. I never sew it in because I love this cover and I want to reuse it multiple times, which is why I covered it in clear packing tape. So I just do the rubber band, and when I fill up all of the signature, I take it out, I staple it together, and I file it away. Because I do like to go back and see, did anything I was trying to manifest actually come true? And I totally believe in this because I think when you write it every day, you see it every day, you make it happen. That's just my opinion on that. So this is one way to do a line a day journal. Another way is to use index cards. Again, you could use one index card for a whole week. And then when you get maybe 4 weeks done, a month, staple them all together. You can either keep them or not. Totally up to you. So I like index cards. If you use prompts and you're going to use the ideas for predetermined prompts, then you might want to use 2 just so you have enough room to write your prompt and then write out your line a day. Totally up to you. So these are 2 ways that make a line a day journal very simple. It's nothing that has to stress you out. And that's why I also thought about adding the prompts this year. Because if you have prompts that are already there, then you're going to be more likely to write in your line a day journal. You don't have to have prompts. You could make it as simple as writing, I had a really crappy day today. That's it. You could say, oh, I had an amazing day today. That's it. You don't have to go into any detail, especially if you're like, oh, I've started journals and I never finished them. Try a line a day. Might work. And if you use something really simple like an index card, this is not intimidating, okay? This is not. Now, some of you might go, yes, it is because it's blank. That's where we're going to put some prompts. I'm going to give you some prompts today. And I'm going to give you some prompts more related to family stress. And I'm going to give you some prompts, just generic prompts. Okay? Because I know when I first started writing poetry, the blank page terrified me. And it can be the same way with journals. Definitely. So I'm going to clean off my space and bring you guys over and we'll write down some prompts for our line a day journal. Okay guys, so when you have this size and you're doing a line a day, you will date it. You could put a prompt right there and then right under it. And you might find, okay, then you're going to use a page a day that way. If you're just going to write the date and I had a crappy day, then you could probably get several entries on one page. Totally however you want to do it. What I do when I'm writing my manifestations out, I'll put the date and then I'll write my manifestation. Depending on what it is, sometimes I take up just a few space, a little bit of the page. Sometimes I'll take up the whole page. So it just depends. Okay, I'm going to use an index card and we're going to write some prompts. And these are going to be like family gathering holiday prompts for this one right here. So I'm going to write family gathering or / holiday prompts. And there's going to be some blanks you can fill in, but feel free to copy these, use these, and I'll do some more generic ones next, okay? There we go. Okay, so we're going to move this over. We're going to put this up here. We're going to move that out of the way. We're going to move this down a little bit. Alright, so our first prompt will be my mom always thinks my clothes are weird. But my style and then you fill it in. What does it say about you? And you can change this up. This is just an idea. My dad thinks my job is dead end. And just write your response out. What would your response be? Uncle blank and Aunt blank always ask why I am not married, like cousin blank. And write your response. And here's the deal about these prompts. This is the place where you can really put what you feel. You know what I mean? You can tell them what you really think. Okay. Or here's some more family related ones. You know, more directed towards maybe sadness. I sure miss Mom or Dad. It's just not the same. Okay. I have gained weight or lost weight due to stress, medical, whatever. You fill it in, and I dread blank because of it. Okay? Along those lines, those should kick you off. Now, if you don't celebrate holidays, or maybe those aren't your stress points, or maybe you want some more positive line a day prompts. Okay, here's some. My favorite, and you can put flower. I'm putting a blank. You can put flower, food, color, clothes, makeup, hairstyle, smell, whatever. My favorite blank because blank. And you tell why it's your favorite, okay? The one thing I want to do before December 31st is. And what would you like to do before the end of this year? I want to go see a movie, a museum. Maybe there's something special in your area for the holidays you'd like to go see. Write about it. I would like to eat blank. What have you been dying to try and you just haven't? Write about it. Let's do one more. Maybe something like, I have set a goal to what? Read so many books, travel so many places, paint, learn to paint, learn a new skill, get a new job. What have you set a goal to do? Write it out. So we have prompts that are positive, uplifting, and then we have prompts that are for the holidays, maybe to counteract some of the negativity that we get being around family and friends, or that we just create in our head, even though maybe it's not as bad as all that once we get there. Sometimes the past can cause us to think things are going to be worse than they are. So guys, that's some easy ideas for a line a day journal. Again, you can use some predetermined prompts. You can get prompts. If you don't like any of these, you can find prompts on the internet. You can ask, your fellow journalers what if they use prompts, or you can do, like I said, I had a crappy day, I had a good day. And do that, and before long you'll be expanding, because you'll maybe look back and go, well, why did I have a crappy day? What made this a good day? Also, you can put your intentions, your manifestations down. And you can always go back later and look. Just don't forget to date these. That's the only thing. It just helps that if you want to go back and look. Now, if you're doing one where you just put all negative lines a day for a week, and you at the end of the week then throw that away. That's up to you. If you do all positive stuff though, or if something good happens, and you're going to want to know when it happened maybe, or whatever, date them. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that little bell. Tons of videos coming for you, and we have an amazing one coming on Saturday. I'm going to say Saturday, just so I have time to, finish it and edit it properly. It's about art, showing you some historic sites around, so I think it'll be fun. I think you'll love some of the art going on. And so come back for that one. Lots of videos for next week, and you will have 3 videos even next week. Though next week is Thanksgiving, you will have 3. Bye-bye.